Hello guys, this is a tutorial for finding the correlations coefficient. So in your calculator you have this is your main menu. You have the raw matrix statistics. So we are going to choose the statistics menu and we are going to press execute. Then once that we are here, you have the list number 1 and then the list number 2. So in this specific case, in this example, the family members, this is the independent variable, the x-axis, and then the number of pets, this is the vertical axis. So here in the list number 1, we are going to introduce the x-axis, so in this case the family members. So for example, in this case we have the number 2, then we press execute, then 3, execute, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally 8. Then in the list number 2, we are going to introduce the number of pets, the vertical axis, or we can say the dependent variable. So this is 1, 0, 3, 2, 5, 4, 7, and 5. Once that we have our values, what we are going to do is to choose calculations. Here you have calc. If we press the F2 button, we can choose calculations. Then we have these three options: one variable, two variables, and regression. We are going to choose regression, but please pay attention because here we have set. Be careful because you need to have this configuration, these settings, in order to have the Pearson's coefficient. So once that we have the same configuration, we can press regression, then x, then we have this ax plus b. If we select this one by pressing F1, we are going to have these values a, b, r squared. So in this case, these are the r equals to 0.85. This is the correlations coefficient. So this is the relationship between the family members, that this is the x value, and then the vertical axis, the number of pets. So we can say that we have a correlation, a positive, strong correlation, for example. So, and also we can press exit again, and again. So when we have this menu, we have graph, calculation, test. So what we can do is to sketch our scatter plot like this. In order to do that, we are going to press graph. Then we have graph number 1, and we are going to have the scatter plot. But pay attention because here in set, you can change the settings, you can change the kind of graph. So please be very sure that you have scatter here. So we can choose graph, and here you have the scatter plot.